bright day today. That's my backyard. So today I'm going to do something. This is January 2023. I got this Diana 50 model in this stage. It's in a very bad condition. Yeah. So I'm going to try not to restore it, but to clean it as clean as possible. This part here is broken. Okay. So I love Diana 50 models. I have a few of them. I have altogether maybe about 6 or 7 of them. But this is one of the salvageable. Sorry for the bad video because I'm using my phone at the moment. So this is how an original Diana logo look like, and the writings, yeah, it's very original. There are a lot of fakes here. This was stored poorly I mean, and there are lots of fittings underneath. I don't think I can repair that, but it's okay, I can clean that. So yeah, that's the overall. There are many fakes or knockoffs for this model. Usually it's made in Pakistan and it doesn't look like the original thing at all. This model was about 1970s and it still have the words lettering made in Germany in it. Here I'm gonna show you, hopefully it's still there. They're made in Germany. Yeah. And it has still the date. It's 1173, means it was produced in November 1973. 73 or 75, it does look almost the same to me. Anyway, most of the parts are still in good shape. The caulking lever mechanism, yeah, they usually come with this dent here. I don't know why. It's very rough used, but it's still very original. Some are still have the bluing on it. Some parts are still nice and blue. I think that's all for today. I'm just gonna brush it and then remove these nails here and clean everything in the stock. And we'll update you at the time. Thank you very much. I've still wooled them, make it nicer. Spring is still quite okay. The back part here is in terrible shape. I have a couple of nice ones, and I have a few of worse than this or this condition, but this is quite good. It's salvageable. It has crack on the stocks too, and a crack here, small cracks here. These were used to be imported during the 1980s in Indonesia, and it's very popular gun. It has a good power and accuracy. It's very favorable. You can find a lot of this in Indonesia, the original one. And prior to this, the one 1970s model, 71 to 73 also. There's a Diana model too. In the UK they call it the original model, which has the the something like that on the stock. Yeah, I have few too. I will video it later on. Thank you everybody, thank you for watching. Please watch my other video. I have Hynel, Gamo and Fenwok Bao too. So we're going closer. We're going to clean this place here, and we're going to have to remove these nails first. Yes, because I don't know what this nail is for, but it looks like to hold the dents. Yeah. Okay. Going to wash this with water.